The first thing we're going to learn about are templates. And templates are really important to web programming. Templates allow us to personalize web pages for the user. And we're going to devote the first folders here of code, 02 through 012, to understanding how templates work with Go programming. And there's some nuances to the standard library where, for a lot of individuals, if they try to learn templates straight from the standard library, it's a struggle for them and it's hard for them to figure out. But I'm going to show you, and I have code resources to show you how to use templates using Go. I'm going to explain to you all of the nuances. And so we'll see how to use functions, pass functions into templates, how to pass data into templates, how to access the data, how to range or loop over data inside of our templates. And so that's what we're going to see. And I'm going to give you a lot of hands-on examples for you to practice, like using templates and passing data into templates and accessing that data in the templates. We'll also see how to abstract and modularize our code. So we could, take a page and break it into different parts and then bring it back together. And so I'm going to show you how to use nested templates. And that's something else you're going to see as we work through templates. Just a general understanding and definition of what templates are, in case there's people out there and this is like, hey, I'm just getting started with web dev and it's your first time through and you've taken the Go programming course and you're like, okay, how do I do web dev? So a template is like a form letter, and in the sense that you have a generic letter, like down here, I have a generic letter, right? And this generic letter is going to be customized or personalized for every user in a database. And so when I run a little program, it will take for each user, put their name there, and then print the letter. And so what comes out is something like this. And when we use templates in web programming, that's how we get personalized pages. We create one page and we say, hey, in this area, put the user's profile. In this area, bring down the user's account information and show the account information for that one user. And so we're pulling that data out of a database and showing it on the template. In the standard library, we have two packages. We have text template and we also have HTML template. And so text template lays the foundation for templates. HTML template is everything which text template is and some additional functionality for doing HTML pages, right? So it has a lot of safety for preventing, web attacks and cross-site scripting and things like that. So it escapes a lot of characters. I've put together README files at the beginning, right? So if you look at our code base and we look through folders 02 through 012, there's a README file at the beginning of each of those folders, like here's understanding templates, and then techniques we'll learn and code we'll use from the standard library, right? And type template and parsing templates. And so for each folder, there's a little README kind of showing you the highlights of what you should get out of this section. So you can look through each of these READMEs and you can kind of pick out, like, these are the things I need to know, or you can just follow me through all of the videos and I'll step through each one and explain them.